Alright, so you actually have approved your sales invoice in AutoCount. It should automatically send into LHDN. But what happens? Nothing. The e-invoice status is still blank. No validation, no error, just silence. Alright, so stay with me. I will show you exactly why this is happening and how to fix it, both for single invoice and permanently for all your invoices. So here's the reason. AutoCount has flagged this invoice for consolidated e-invoice submission, meaning it is waiting to be batched with other invoices at month end rather than sending it individually right now. So during the relaxation period, AutoCount defaults to the setting automatically. So your invoices are sitting in a queue and not going to LHDN. Okay, so now let's show you how to fix a single invoices. So we can double click on the invoice. You can press edit, okay? And we come to the edit tab here. And you can see the consolidated invoices is ticked. All we just need to do is we untick this and we press save. Okay, so now you can see the status is pending. When I refresh it, it shows that it has already been validated. But here's the bigger problem. The next invoice you create, let's say I press new. Okay, the box is ticked automatically. When I come edit, you can see consolidated e-invoice is ticked. So now you have to manually check every single invoice before you press approve. One of my clients actually asked me, Dax, is there a way to just turn this off permanently so that I don't have to worry about it again? Yes, here's how. Okay, so we come here, we come to e-invoice, we come to e-invoice setting. Okay, we press setting here. Then you can see this function called Allow Interim Relaxation Period until what date? Okay, so there's two options. One, of course, you can just untick this so it's automatically removed, or what happens is you can always just backdate it to example the previous month 04/2026, and we press OK, and then we press close, and now when we press new, the consolidated e-invoice is automatically unticked. Right? So to summarize, if your invoices are not being validated, check whether the consolidated e-invoice is ticked. Untick it if you want to do submission, or go to the e-invoice setting and adjust the relaxation period so that it's changed permanently. If you are still seeing different errors after trying this, book a free consultation at myconsult.com.my. The link is in the description below, and check the video above for more common AutoCount e-invoice errors we have covered. Subscribe so that you don't miss the next fix. Thank you.